Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the storage request table template and confirming you have red/right permissions. This avoids save errors. Next, inspect the header row to match field names exactly, item ID, size in GB, retention days, and priority. Once done, create a new row and enter item ID and size first, because downstream rules validate those before others. Make sure to set priority now. It controls workflow routing. This gets the process moving without later renaming or permission delays. You now populate the main fields and validate them in sequence to prevent rework. Start by entering size as a numeric GB value, use 0. 5 for half a gigabyte. Then add retention days as an integer and attach the correct policy ID. This maps requests to lifecycle rules. Once filled, run the table's built-in validation. It checks size limits, quota availability, and format errors. If a validation flag appears, correct that cell and revalidate. This keeps automated approvals flowing. You finish by submitting the completed row and capturing the generated request ID and timestamp for tracking. Once submitted, watch the approval column. If a high priority request stalls, escalate it to your storage admin with the request ID. If submission fails, do a quick troubleshooting sequence. Confirm you still have red/right permissions, verify every field matches required formats, and check quota availability. If those look correct, copy the error message and contact support with the request ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.